Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how to do the braids that I have in my head. I didn't add any hair because this is just for quarantine and to keep my hair manageable and easy throughout the whole process without me having to worry about doing my hair every day without it looking a mess and getting knotted. I have really curly hair, not super curly, but it's curly and it's thick and it's hard to deal with because it's long. And so braiding it down really makes it a lot easier in the morning to just, I don't know, I don't have to do anything. I just have to do my edges and that's it. At night, I tie it up with my scarf. And last night I put the bonnet on because my scarf be falling off because my hair is really soft. So let's get started. So I started off with washing my hair with normal Cantu shampoo and conditioner. I didn't do anything special, no deep conditioner. Yeah, just normal shampoo and conditioner. I brushed it out in the shower. So you want to use a deep conditioner, the Jamaican black castor oil one. I know will stay in my hair for a long time and keep it nourished. Now I parted my hair into 4 and I'm putting the deep conditioner throughout all of my hair, brushing it out so it reaches every part of my hair. And then I repeat that for my whole head. Then it's time to part, and parting is the most important part for this process. You want to take your time with parting. You part from ear to ear first, and then you just separate that, and then you start parting the back area, and you braid it in 2 different sections at 2 different times. So in the back you want to do horizontal lines all the way until you reach the top of your head, until you finish the back section. I'm doing smaller braids, but you can do whatever size you want. I started with 3 at the bottom. And once that is done, you part off a new section. Try to do your best at making sure the sections are evenly the same width. And then I just use my fingers to part the sections because it's just easier to feel around, and I'm not reaching for perfection. I just want it to be good enough. And my fingers do that for me. They allow me to feel how wide the braid is. And then you're just going to continue that all the way up to the top. This is my first time parting my whole head for braids. I had to use the mirror a lot just to make sure that all the braids were the same or around the same size. I tried my best. So y'all just try your best. And if it takes time, a little extra time, just give it that extra time because it counts. sometimes text on me, but next time tell me what you will do. Tell me what you won't do. So I can show you. You want to keep your hair damp throughout the whole process, so if you have a spray bottle, just wet the ends so that when you're braiding, the hair just slides and it's easy to braid. So it's been about 2.5 hours of me braiding. I think maybe 3. My hair is really long, so after it's really just parting and starting the braid, but once it just takes a little bit longer for me to finish it because my hair is so long. So I'm gonna do the front part, and hopefully this doesn't take 2 hours. When parting the front section, you want to part down the middle of your head first, and then you part horizontally down the whole front. So just go horizontally from the middle part all the way down to the ends of your ears. I'm going to tag the 2 videos I watched for parting in the description so that you guys, if you need to watch that, you can watch those too. Those videos really helped me visualize how I needed to part my head for these braids. Y'all, people out here thinking I got the coronavirus because I'm coughing. So, I use this scalp spray. It's not focusing, but I use this scalp spray. It's Ate Natural Products Nutrient Herbal Scalp Replenisher. I love it. It says promotes a healthy scalp and minimizes dandruff. I get dandruff sometimes when my hair is in a style or just not washed for like 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I get dandruff. So this has really been helping me. And so I spray this on my roots. And then I'm good to go. Also, after I finished braiding my hair down, I took the black Jamaican castor oil leave-in deep conditioner and I put it throughout my hair again just to get to all of the end curls that I left out, because it just needs protection. Maximum protection is the goal. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like my videos, subscribe. I have some vlog videos. Just let me know what y'all want. I'm gonna probably be making more videos since I'm home doing nothing. So I'll be with y'all the whole time because I have no life. I need money. And I'm not afraid of the virus. Rona, I ain't afraid of you. Okay? No. Now we all are a little afraid, but I'm not. Whatever. Let's just stop. I don't want to talk about that. Thanks for watching.